Hi friends, today in this video we are watching the latest boundary wall design ideas. So let's begin the video. Having a beautiful design boundary wall for your home, it's offered to the several advantages, both functional and aesthetic, and some of the key benefits is include. The first one is the enhance the curb appeal. A well-designed boundary wall enhance the overall look of your house, making it more attractive and inviting atmosphere. It's added to the architectural harmony and complementing the style of your house. A stylish well can increase the property pressure value. Another one is the increase the property value. Authentic boundary walls, it's contribute to the higher resale value as potential buyers are often attracted to the well-maintained and visual appealing properties and security and privacy. A thoughtfully designed wall can provide to the balance between security and authentic, it offering to the protection from intruders while maintaining elegant appearance. Decorative elements such as lattice panels or frosted glass can enhance the privacy without compromising on the design. And customization option. Beautiful boundary walls offer the flexibility to incorporate personalized elements such as unique patterns, textures, and lighting, or even vertical gardens. Different materials like stone, wood, metal, or concrete can be used to match the homeowner's style. And another advantages is a noise reduction. A well made of boundary wall with authentic design element can help to the reduce the noise pollution from the surroundings environment, creating quieter and more peaceful living space. And another one is the weather protection. A solid and attractive boundary wall can protect home from harsh weather conditions such as wind, dust, and excessive sunlight while blending seamlessly with the landscape. And one more is the low maintenance solution. Choosing the beautiful and durable materials such as stone, cladding, texture, concrete, or decorative tiles can reduce the maintenance and while keeping the home looking beautiful. And landscaping inauguration. A beautiful boundary wall can be designed blend with landscaping element such as the plants, waterfalls, or lighting, enhancing the outdoor ambience of the home. And another one is the statement of personality. The design of the boundary wall reflects your personal taste and style. It's creating unique identity to your home. Improve the functionality. Apart from authentic, a well-designed boundary wall can include features like built-in setting, lightning features, or even security cameras in manner. Investing beautiful design boundary wall will not only improve the visual appeal of your property but also enhance the functionality and long-term value. Cost of boundary wall designs in India. The cost of boundary wall in India varies based on material design, complexity, height, and regional factors. And here is general breakdown price ranges. The brick and mortar wall approximately 5,000 to 5,500 per cubic meter, excluding plaster and paint. And concrete wall another one. This ranges between 3,500 rupees to 4,200 rupees per cubic meter. And another one is the stone wall. If locally sourced, costs start from 1,100 per cubic meter. And for instance, 10 feet RCC reinforced cement concrete, a boundary wall will price around 95 rupees per square foot. The pre-cost concrete boundary walls are also available, approximate 85 rupees per square feet. It's essential to note that these prices are Indicate can vary based on the location, availability of materials and labor charges, and specific designs and requirements. Consulting with local contractors or builders will provide more accurate estimate tailored and to individual needs. Investing thoughtfully designed boundary wall will not only enhance the security and privacy of the property but also added authentic and market value. So friends, if you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. And thank you for watching this video.